friends, welcome to the Aliyah Learn channel. Hey there, young adventurers. Get ready to dive into a world of amazing dolphin facts that will leave you amazed and inspired. Number 1. Super swimmers. Did you know that dolphins are super swimmers? They can zoom through the water at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. That's faster than many of the cars on the road. Number 2. Breathtaking breathers. Check this out, dolphins are smart breathers. Instead of breathing automatically, like we do, they have to come up to the surface to take a breath. They use a special hole on top of their heads called a blowhole. Imagine having a snorkel on your head. Number 3. Echo experts. Dolphins are like underwater superheroes with their own built-in radar. They make clicks and whistles that bounce off objects and help them find their way and locate food. It's called echolocation, a fancy word for a really cool skill. Number 4. Brainy buddies. Guess what? Dolphins are super brainy. Their brains are big and sophisticated, just like those of humans. They're known for their problem-solving abilities and even have special parts in their brains for emotions. Dolphins have feelings too. Number 5. Bubble ring playtime. Picture this, dolphins blowing underwater bubble rings, just like we blow bubbles in our drinks. But they're not just for fun, dolphins play with these bubble rings, swimming through them and making them spin. It's like a watery game of catch. Number 6. Colorful personalities. Dolphins have unique personalities, just like us. Some are shy, while others are real show-offs. They love to play tricks, jump, and show their playful sides. Imagine a dolphin doing cartwheels underwater. Number 7. Family matters. Family time is important for dolphins too. They live in groups called pods, which can be like big, loving families. Dolphins help each other out and stick together through thick and thin. Number 8. Sleep style. Guess what? Dolphins are sleep experts too. They sleep with one eye open, literally. They rest half of their brain at a time, so they can still swim and breathe. Imagine if we could sleep and do our homework at the same time. Number 9. Dolphin dance parties. Get ready for the coolest dance party under the sea. Dolphins love to leap out of the water and do flips. They also surf on waves, showing off their acrobatic skills. It's like they're having a splashy dance-off. Closing scene. Wow, wasn't that a fantastic journey into the world of dolphins? These incredible creatures are full of surprises and are a big part of our amazing ocean. Keep exploring and learning, and who knows what other awesome facts you'll uncover.